Hi, this is Frank here. In this video, we are going to go through the inventory setting in the SmartOrder ePortal system. And the inventory management is actually a bit complicated than the other functions. So let us, go through the first one, the vendor. So in the inventory tab, the first one you will see is the vendor page. So you can add or maybe edit your vendor or maybe delete. So the vendor in here actually will be used that when you want to create a reorder, when you want to create a purchase order, that it will actually read the data in here and then generate the purchase order and send it to your supplier. So you have to make sure the vendor is active, and then the name of your vendor, and the rest is optional, and this 4 columns is compulsory. So the shipping address, this is actually your restaurant address. So I mean your inventory address, and it might be different from your restaurant, so you have to re-enter this again, and then your contact number, your email, and your contact name in this form. The inventory category, this allows you to actually manage your inventory in a much easier way. So for example, if you have different category, you can just click on the add button and then just add the category by the name. So in this example, we have the meats and vegetable, so for the category. So the next one would be the inventory. This is where your inventory will be listed. And to add the inventory, just click on the add button in here, and the name of the ingredient, which is your inventory and will be used to link your dishes later. And then you have to select your supplier and also the category for you to easier to manage. You can enter your cost, the unit, and the low stock alert threshold. This will be used when your inventory is actually below 0. And you can edit the value in here. So for example, if you change it to 20, then when this ingredient gets below 20, and the system will automatically generate a alert email to you. And the starting inventory, so this is how many stock do you have at the beginning. So when you have complete the settings, save it, and in here you can actually edit your low stock alert threshold. Let's say 10. Just type in the number and click enter, and you will actually save it into the system already. And let's refresh it, and you can see the value is actually saved. So, and when you type in your actual stock level, you can also calculate your weight loss variance as well. Once you have done that, you can link your ingredients to your dishes. So in the ingredient page, it will list all your dishes in the following list. So how do you link your ingredient to your dishes? What you do is to click on the dishes here. Let's say BBQ chicken chopped salad, and in here it will, in the inventory search, it will list all the inventory you have. If you have, let's say, hundreds of inventory, you can actually filter it by using this filter here. And when you click on the checkbox in the ingredient, it will actually add up in this inventory column. So let's say I want to crisp the lettuce. So when I click the checkbox, it will actually automatically show it in here, and then you just type in the unit that you will use to cook this dishes. Let's say 1, and save the change. So this dishes has already linked up with the ingredients. So when you are using your POS system, smart POS system, when you upload your sales data to the ePortal, it will actually automatically calculate the ingredient used for different order. So, and then you will deduce it from your inventory. So when, let's say after a day of work, you click on the reorder page, you can see that there is a low alert sign here, which means that these two ingredients is actually below the low stock alert threshold. So you want to generate purchase order to reveal this inventory. Click on this checkbox in here and click generate purchase order. In this page, you can input the quantity that you want to reorder. For example, 100 of the chicken and 100 for the lettuce. So in this area here, please make sure that you double check the supplier, the vendor name and email address is correct. And you in this field here, order by, please enter your name here. And when all is checked, to send the purchase order, just click the submit button and make sure it's sent order. And when it's submit, your purchase order you will generate an email as a purchase order to your supplier. So when you have sent your purchase order, it doesn't immediately reveal your inventory. So in the purchase order page here, actually you will see the purchase order you just created is listed in here. In order to review your inventory, you have to check in the purchase order, which in here change the status to finish here and click submit, which means that you have already received the inventory from your vendor. So when you have actually confirmed you have received the purchase order, and you can see that the system current inventory is already filled up and the low stock alert has already gone. And in some case that if you want to resend your purchase order, you just have to click on go to the same page, purchase order, and send resend order, and this will not generate any purchase order pending list in the purchase order page here. And if you have any questions about the inventory management, please let us know and we will reply your question as soon as possible. And thanks for listening.